WaveMax is a website that sells a digital indoor TV antenna designed to help people access free over-the-air television channels without paying monthly cable or streaming fees. The company claims users can enjoy over 100 HD channels, easy installation, high-quality signal reception, and ongoing entertainment without subscriptions. But is WaveMax legit, or is it another product making promises that sound better than reality? Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for informational and educational purposes only. It should not be taken as shopping, legal, or financial advice. Always do your own research before purchasing from any online store or platform. One thing that immediately stands out is the website's domain history. According to available domain records, getwavemax.com was registered in November 2023 and is currently registered through November 2026. While it's not an old legacy brand, it has been operating for a reasonable period of time and isn't one of those websites that appeared only a few weeks ago. That longer online presence is generally a positive trust signal. The website itself also looks fairly complete. It includes contact information, a customer service phone number, refund policies, shipping information, FAQs, and a 30-day money-back guarantee. These are details that many questionable websites often fail to provide. Customer feedback is also more positive than negative overall. Several buyers mention friendly customer support, fast shipping, easy ordering, and smooth refund assistance when needed. Some customers haven't fully tested the product yet, but still reported positive experiences with the ordering process and support team. However, there are a few concerns worth mentioning. The biggest issue involves the marketing claims. The website heavily promotes access to 100+ free HDTV channels and a reception range of more than 120 miles. While TV antennas can absolutely provide free local channels, actual results depend heavily on location, terrain, nearby broadcast towers, and signal conditions. This becomes noticeable when reading customer reviews. Some users reported receiving significantly fewer channels than advertised. One customer stated they received only 6 channels, while another reported around 22 channels instead of the 100+ suggested in the marketing. Another thing to keep in mind is the aggressive promotional style. The website frequently highlights limited-time discounts, major savings, and urgency-driven sales messages. While common in online retail, these tactics can sometimes encourage impulse purchases. So what's the verdict? Based on the available information, WaveMax appears to be a legitimate product sold by an active business rather than an obvious scam operation. The domain history, customer support presence, refund policy, and generally positive customer experiences work in its favor. Overall, WaveMax looks like a legitimate TV antenna, but buyers should approach the advertised channel counts with realistic expectations.